Hi, it's Ben. Today we're going to be looking at how to share your screen in Google Meet. It's pretty straightforward, so just bear with me here as we make our way through the process. So here I am in Google Chrome. I figured I'd put this first given it's the world's popular browser, although there might be some reasons to not have it be the most popular browser, but that's another video. So I'm in Google Chrome. This is how you do it in Google Chrome. So here, there's a little button here, like a rectangle with an arrow that points up. And if you hover over it, you can see Present Now. I'm going to click that. Now here we can clearly see it puts up a little window that says Chrome wants to share the contents of your screen with meet.google.com. We can choose a Chrome tab, a window, or your entire screen. Now here's the thing. If I'm just staying on one tab explaining something, am I going to want to share my whole screen with them? No, I just want to share just that tab. So here I can go on, click on class and share. And here we have my class, and I posted a new material. And this is very interesting here. It says this is some sample material to read. And this is actually fascinating. I didn't know, like, sample material. Oh, no. But we can hit here, stop sharing, and that'll stop sharing the screen. Now, what happens if let's say I've got like 2 tabs, and I want to share this sample material, and I want to also share the weather, because, yeah, why not? So I can hit Present Now, and we can clearly see if I just do it the same way as before with Chrome tab selected and then sample, it starts to become a bit impractical to switch between tabs. Watch what happens. When I click on weather, it says sharing the classroom.google.com, which is this tab over here, to Meet. In fact, it's not sharing this tab at all. So I can click right here, share this tab instead. Now it's showing this tab. Now I've talked about the weather, and in fact, like here, it's going to get dark in the middle of the night. Who knew? And then we can go back here to sample, and then we have to hit share this tab again instead. And now we can see our sample material again. Now this is a bit impractical. We don't want to be like clicking back and forth rapidly. No, that makes no sense. Why would you do that? There's got to be a simpler way. Well, there is a simpler way. Right here, we can hit Present Now, and instead select Window. Excuse this, it's my screen recorder right here. Here we can select the window, which is our Chrome window with Meet running. Share. Wait for it to load. Slowly. Oh god, I've got an infinity mirror. And we can clearly see here, it won't tell you, but it is sharing this window with the class. It's a bit unnerving because it doesn't tell you, but you can see if I go here, and if I go here, and I go here, it updates. And now I can go back very quickly, and you can see there's the window going down my row of infinity mirrors. Now let's stop presenting that. There is one more way to do this. Click Present Now and show entire screen. This is the unnerving part. We can select between your screen 1 or screen 2. So if you have like multiple monitors, this is where you can select them. And this will share literally your whole screen. So like, for example, if you're running Windows, it'll share your like taskbar and anything that has opened. It's not great from a privacy standpoint. You'll probably never need to do this, so we don't need to worry about that. You can hit cancel here. So that's how you do this in Chrome. But apparently, it differs in each browser. So next up is Edge. Okay, next up is Edge. And doing a screen share in it is pretty much the exact same thing as Chrome. Click the little Present Now button, and it'll show a dialog. Edge wants to share the contents of your screen with meet.google.com. You can select your Edge tab, a window, or your entire screen. It works the exact same thing as Google Chrome, pretty much. For example, let's go into our sample class here. share. We can see it is viewing it. See the proof? And then we can click onto weather. And you can see it says sharing classroom.google.com to meet.google.com. So it's not sharing the right tab. Click on share this tab instead and blah, blah, blah. Do all that kind of stuff. If you want to share your screen because you're tired of switching tabs and like hitting that little button that says share this tab instead, present now, share window, meet, share. Now it will share the window. It will give you an infinity mirror. You can click on weather or sample. I'm going to show you the weather. It gets dark tonight. It goes down to 11 Celsius. And we can see we're going into the classroom now. Everything is visible. So that's great. You can stop presenting. And that's Edge. Now, for Firefox, any of you here using Firefox, you should not be for Google Meet. Google Meet's features, most of them aren't available in Firefox, and it is much better to do it in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Internet Explorer users, I'm sorry, you should be using Edge. Internet Explorer has been long retired and is very privacy unaware and pretty unstable too. So upgrade to the latest version of Internet Explorer, that's Edge, to get the best experience now. So that pretty much wraps up our video.